Hey guys, what's up? So today we should top is first week, so I was 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first week's called check lock. Make sure we put it as 0, it won't come up. And what this tweak does, it's an 11 device like iPhone 8s, which has been jailbroken with Checkra1n. And so pretty much if you guys can't have the passcode, which is like certain for A11 devices, which is for the iPhone X or 8, and you have jailbroken with Checkra1n, you guys can't have a passcode, which is Face ID or Touch ID. In order to get the jailbreak. That's just how it works. So this tweak pretty much gives you like some kind of passcode or biometric capability. So you set a native passcode, unlock your device with Face ID or Touch ID, and autofill passwords in Safari and support apps using the Face ID or Touch ID. So really cool. It brings back that feature. I mean, it's really important because if someone does take your device or someone goes in your device, there's no passcode, so it's not protected, which is really important. I mean, having a passcode, it's really important to have. So this tweak pretty much brings back that, giving you a passcode even if you're jailbroken on an 11 device with Checkra1n on iPhone 8 or iPhone X. The only thing I can't say bad about this tweak is that since it is a jailbreak tweak, I mean, you could probably just, turn the phone off, turn it back on if the person actually realizes it, and there will be no passcode. So, that's the only scary part, I would say. This tweak is called No Annoyance. This tweak is called libhooker, general purpose injection hooking library for 64-bit devices. Next tweet is called libhooker configurator, configuration utility for libhooker. Next tweet is called OpenSSL tools. Next tweet is called iTorrent, download torrents through your iDevice via torrent files or magnet URLs. Background downloads also available. Next tweet is called grapher, and lots battery discharge and temperature for each app on your iPhone, and then graphs the info. Next tweet is called weather LS, which is weather lock screen, shows your current weather conditions and temperature on your lock screen. Next is called Power App, and pretty cool tweak. Reboot shut down your spring and more easily, supports iOS 8 to 15 and up. You can also refresh the springboard without mobile substrate or substitute. So all these right here. Pretty useful tweak, I would say. This is called Power Actions, so older tweak, low tweak toggle modes when power is connected.